Christine Diao. I am a Hmong girl from Yunnan province of China. Melody, you say this is your original work? 马面裙. I believe that the majority of our Chinese netizens have explained to you countless times. So today I just want to show you a little well left by our ancestors. We have more than 5,000 years history, 12 unified dynasties, 34 different characteristic provinces, 56 different married nations, and so on. Look, this is just one of our Chinese nations, the male nationality of Hmong. According to incomplete statistics, our Hmong has more than 200 kinds of branches. What you say original is read about my nation in our daily life. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Guanling of Guizhou. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Qianxi of Guizhou. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Xinren of Guizhou. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Dafang of Guizhou. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Nayong of Guizhou. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Longling of Guangxi. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Guangnan of Yunnan. This is the Wai Shu Miao from Honghe of Yunnan. Okay, don't envy. The real which our ancestors left us is too much. If you want to learn from it, tell us something, we won't disagree. But we 1.4 billion Chinese won't agree. If you misappropriate culture, we do a war. The China of today is not the China of 100 years ago. Today, we are the sons and daughters of China in the new era. We are sober Chinese people. Our culture is not something you can take away if you want to. Please stop cultural appropriation.